Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Nice price movement today, but not only along with that, you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal area. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above. Let's give them a little more wiggle room. We'll call it 310 because that is where there's several lows here. So $3.10. I was going to put it at 315. Maybe we'll call it a support zone from 315 down to 310. Point being, right up around this area of the chart, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though. If the price does fall below that area, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area up down here at $2, and we'll call it 90 cents. So 310 and 290, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from the big picture perspective. So this definitely assumes you have a broader time frame of things, but that's where the purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, comes into play. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very straightforward perspective in terms of, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the overall health of the price movement? Just watch that purple line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full health, full control, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up there at 345, so that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice move today, and now it's just a question of whether or not the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward, so we shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.